Okay, so now we are going to foam roll the glutes, mainly the piriformis muscles. So we're going to lay that foam roller down. Natalie is going to take a seat on the foam roller, and she's going to cross one leg over the other. Now she's going to start doing 10 passes back and forth slowly. Now it's important to note, if you find a really tight and tender spot, you can really focus in on that area. You can really just kind of go a little bit deeper in the spot and make your passes a little bit shallower and a little bit faster to really start to aggressively treat that area. Now, if you feel any numbness or tingling, it's a good idea to get off that spot because there is a big nerve called the sciatic nerve that comes right through this area. Now, feel free to play with the angle. You can lean a little bit more to the outside or to the inside. Again, trying to find that area of most restriction and really trying to even out some of the tightness. A lot of times this gets tight from running, from sitting, or all of the above.